Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of logging into connected banking using your Tally.net ID in TallyPrime. TallyPrime Release 6.0 introduces the connected banking services using which you can do a wide range of tasks such as getting bank statement and bank balance and perform other connected banking activities right from TallyPrime. To log into connected banking in TallyPrime, all you need is an active Tally.net ID on the current license site. Consider that you are an admin user logging into connected banking for the first time. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and then log in and log out. Enter your Tally.net ID. By default, the account administrator is the administrator for connected banking. Now, enter the password. When you are logging in for the first time, you get a welcome screen where you can see the supported banks and enable connected banking. Enter the mobile number that you want to link with your Tally.net ID. To view the terms and conditions and privacy policy, you can enable the option or click the hyperlink. The terms and conditions and privacy policy opens in a browser. Once you have read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, you can switch to TallyPrime. You can then accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked with the Tally.net ID. Enter the OTP to log into connected banking. To ensure a secure banking experience, a new password policy is applied. If your Tally.net password does not adhere to the latest password policy, then you will need to change the password. Enter the old password and new password. Confirm the new password. Once you change your password, you will be logged in. Now, you can press B and start linking your bank accounts to TallyPrime. Now, in a multi-user scenario, as an admin, you might need to enable connected banking for the users who are not admin. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and then log in and log out. Enter the Tally.net ID of the user. If the Tally.net ID does not exist under the running license, then a message appears. You need to create the Tally.net ID before enabling connected banking. Press Y to proceed. You can approve the user either in TallyPrime or on the Tally Solutions customer portal. Let's approve now. Press A to approve as admin. As you are an admin, in this screen, your Tally.net ID is prefilled based on the license information. Enter the admin password. The Tally.net user gets approved for connected banking. After approval, the new user can log in and follow the steps to link the mobile number and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy as demonstrated in part 1 of the video. Now, let us learn how to log in when your connected banking session has expired. By default, a connected banking session expires after 24 hours. In such cases, you will need to log in for any connected banking activity. For example, press Alt-Z, all banking options, and then select a connected banking activity like Get Statement. If your session is expired, then TallyPrime asks you to log in. The Tally.net ID is prefilled based on the last session. Enter the password and OTP to log in. If the session was inactive, then you will need to enter only the password for your Tally.net ID. Let's see how to log out of a connected banking session. Press Alt-Z. All banking options. And then log in and log out. Press Y to confirm. You will be logged out from the connected banking services. As you saw, you can easily log into the connected banking services at any point in time. Now that you know how to enable connected banking and log in, you can start linking your bank accounts. Thank you.